Hello everyone, and welcome to the latest video on my channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. This, my friends, is a quick mail call parcel opening exercise, but I want you to see what's in the parcel, and there's a reason. The reason I want you to see it all, because it's an issue. It's an issue here in the UK, and that affects a lot of people. Let's see if we can get this one out first. Jim's Red Owl. It's a grocery store. A nice little building there. Walthers kit. HO scale there, but it will do for double O. As most of you know, the United Kingdom is unique in the fact that it decided to go 00176.2 instead of HO 1.87, which the rest of the world do. And Britain's different because of that, and because of that, that limits our choice of 00 gauge buildings. The next building, which I'm very pleased about, is another Walthers kit. This time it's Williams Industrial Electric Motors, a big factory building. Again, HO. Now people might wonder, why are you buying HO? Why aren't you buying the Hornby buildings and things like that we have here? And the answer is to that the vast majority of buildings available over here in the UK that are 00 gauge or 00 scale, whichever you prefer to say, they really aren't what I require. Barkman do make a few buildings that are very, very good, but the resin cast, they're not kit built. Barkman do make kit buildings called city scenes in HO, but they're not easily available in the UK. Neither of these Walthers buildings. You have to shop around and look for a retailer that stocks them, and it's purely and simply why I buy these American kits is because they are hands down better than anything kit wise that we have on offer in the UK. A lot of the UK models are fine if you're building Trumpton, you know, like there's Miss Tewinkle's Cottage and Fisherman's Rest Pub and all things that don't fit the reality of being in a city or what's on my layout at all. And so I'm forced to buy things like this, which I don't mind. I like them. I just wish that they were more widely available in the UK, and HO and 00 weren't so different. They're not that very different, but there is a slight difference, and that there's only the UK that does 00 like that, you know. Which is weird. It's weird because everywhere in Europe it's all HO, and all over the United States it's HO, and there's a massive market in the States, you know, that we have to tap into to get kits like this. And it'd be just easier if everyone were on HO and it were readily available everywhere, but it isn't, so we have to do it like this. That's all it is, just a bit of a rant and a bit of a rave, and I'm going to be building these kits very soon. I'm very, very happy. I like them very much, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now. Do take care.